Hello, I am back again and today I thought I'd do a little unboxing with you. I am unboxing my Citizens of Soil subscription box. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's actually an olive oil subscription box. And when I signed up, I knew I was officially old. Seriously, back in the day, I was all about beauty subscription box and now I just want to spend my money on things like olive oil. Anyway, this is really cool subscription box. And basically every month you get a bottle of olive oil. And when I say bottle, I actually mean a pouch because it's more sustainable. Anyway, it's really cool, and each month the olive oil comes from a different region and a different grower, so it's always a little bit different and it's very, very cool. Think of it as like a wine subscription box, but for foodies. So let me show you this month, and also if you want to sign up, I have a refer a friend code, which will get you £5 off your first one, and also you can stop or cancel at any time. You can literally just do that one. You don't have to sign up for a year or anything. So yeah, if you just want to give it a go the one time, you can, but make sure you use my link for £5 off. Anyway, let me show you this month's. So this is how the olive oil comes packaged. It's perfect for just fitting through your letterbox. And just so you know, Citizens of Soil are a certified B Corp brand, and they work with a lot of female growers and generally olive oil producers who are doing like good things for the planet and also making great product. So this is what it looks like inside. So this month's olive oil comes from Portugal and it was harvested in November 2024. Every month they give you a cool recipe, and you can learn more about the olive grove and the people behind it. And here is the olive oil. It comes in a pouch and it's a 500ml pouch. And when you're done with the empty pouch, you can actually send it back for recycling. And again, on the back, it tells you all about the olive oil. It's always extra virgin olive oil. And they tell you what it often pairs well with, as well as the tasting notes. So there's only one thing left to do, which is go taste it. Look at that, it's like liquid gold. So let's dip in some bread. Let's get loads. So good. Okay, let's taste. Oh my God, that's so good. It is actually quite fruity, but it's also quite peppery. They actually say it's quite a delicate flavour, but I disagree. I think it's got a real strong flavour to this one. That's so good. It's so weird to lick olive oil off your hands, but literally that's how good it is. Also, fun fact, but did you know a good olive oil is actually really good for you? Like some people have a spoonful of olive oil every day just for like health. Anyway, that is the package this month. It honestly tastes so good. I'm such a fan of this company and I'm such a fan of their subscription box. So if you do want to try it, make sure you use my refer a friend link, which I'll put below in the description. And yeah, if you've got any questions, let me know and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.